A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your EVS class. Children, in EVS we are studying chapter 13, Our Identity. और ये chapter मैंने आपको explain कर दिया है पूरा. But children, today we will be reading the chapter thoroughly and then I'll explain you the question answers of this chapter. Okay, so let's start reading chapter 13, Our Identity. You wear the school identity card as a part of your uniform. What do you think is the purpose of wearing an identity card? An identity card contains the personal details of a person. It includes his or her name, father's name, address, age or date of birth, photograph, etc. Every person is unique in having these details. Therefore, this set of information can be used to identify a particular person. The identity cards are issued by some authority. For example, your school provides you with identity card. Different identity proofs. The identity cards provided by the government or some government body can be used anywhere as identity proof. For example, voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license, etc. are issued by various government bodies and can be used as an identity proof for any purpose. Aadhaar card contains a 12-numbered code that is unique to every citizen of India. This number serves as a proof of identity and address anywhere in India. It is the latest and most important identity proof for a person living in India. Passport is an identity proof issued by the government which confirms that you are a citizen of India and allows you to travel to other countries under its protection. Uses of identity proofs. How are these ID cards useful? 1. For casting vote in elections. 2. For getting a passport to travel to other countries. 3. For opening a bank account. 4. For opening an account in a post office. 5. For getting jobs in government sector. 6. For getting monthly pension. Apart from these benefits, identity proof maintains our identity in the time of crisis. Therefore, it is advisable to always carry your identity cards with you. Things to remember: an identity card contains the personal details of a person. Voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license are various types of ID cards. An ID card has many uses. Identity proof maintains our identity in the time of crisis. Okay, so our reading is done. And your homework is these 3 questions. Question number 1. What are the uses of identity cards? आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स के क्या यूजेस हैं वो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन भी किए थे और अभी हमने चैप्टर को रीड करते हुए भी एक बार रिवाइज किए हैं. ओके, तो आप आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स आर यूज्ड. नंबर 1 फॉर कास्टिंग वोट इन इलेक्शंस. 2 फॉर ओपनिंग अ बैंक अकाउंट. 3 for getting a passport. 4 for getting jobs in government sector. 5 for getting monthly pension. आपको 6 दिए हैं आपकी बुक में, लेकिन आप any 5 uses लिख सकते हैं. ओके. Question number 2. Name some documents which are important identity proofs. आपको कुछ ऐसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स के नाम लिखने हैं जो हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ्स हैं जिनके बारे में हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा है. एंड व्हाट आर दोज आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ्स? वोटर आईडी कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, driving license, passport, etc. are important identity proofs. Okay. Question number 3. What is Aadhaar card? Aadhaar card is the latest and most important identity proof for a person living in India. It contains a 12-numbered code that is unique to every citizen. That's it. I'm repeating. Answer number 3. What is Aadhaar card? Aadhaar card is the latest and most important identity proof for a person living in India. Full stop. It contains a 12-numbered code that is unique to every citizen. Your answer is completed. ठीक है, आपको ये 3 आंसर्स अच्छे से एक बार सुन लीजिएगा. वैसे आपको बुक में भी ये आंसर्स हैं. आप चैप्टर को रीड करेंगे बहुत अच्छे से. चैप्टर 13 अवर आइडेंटिटी. ओके, आप अच्छे से रीड करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज वर्क आपने कर लिया है और आप इन 3 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स बहुत केयरफुली लिखेंगे, नीटली लिखेंगे. ओके, स्पेलिंग्स को रीचेक करेंगे, अपने वर्क को रीचेक करेंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन. Stay home, stay safe and stay happy.